Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob, the Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a special unboxing. Something coming in from Shane. I believe this is Rebel Browser 777. He sent something for another giveaway. Man, the last giveaway was amazing. So yeah, let's take a look at this guy. All right, today I'm opening up my box with my 8020S, 8020 Slim. This is with the new Rockscale Design scales, Lynch Northwest clip, and Skiff Caged Bearings. Love this USA-made knife. This is way bigger than 8020.5. But still nice, thin, slim, kind of 130th thousandth of an inch. I love that. Great knife. Really one of my favorites to carry lately. And I mean that, like, really enjoy carrying this thing a lot. So, yeah, this is exciting. All right, let's see. Do we have any sorts of private stuff in here? I believe this is supposed to be toward a giveaway or something like that. So let's see what we got. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, patches. What is this? Wow, that's a wallet. Interesting. Ooh, another knuckle thing. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, what in the world do we have here? Okay, we gotta take a look at that. Oh my. Oh, I love these coins. These veteran coins. Those are cool. All right, we'll take a look at this here in just a second. All right, there is a lot of stuff in here. Holy cow, a lot to digest this time around. My goodness, my goodness, my goodness. All right, so, wow. Now these coins are amazing. These are veteran coins, veteran challenge coins that we've given away before, especially, hopefully if you're a veteran and you won one of these, it's for you. And if you're not, if you know a veteran, this would be something for you to give to if you win. All right, so, oh my goodness, look at that. We're gonna have some veteran challenge coins to give away here. And some more stickers. Yeah, Rebel 777. Cool guy. Cool guy. Yeah, for sure. So now we have a couple of things here. This is H&S Creations Donkey Milk Soap. Okay, I guess this is soap. Let's smell it. Oh wow, that does smell pretty amazing. Okay, so it is a soap. It does smell pretty good. Wow, that's cool. Okay. Vanilla and cedar. That's really cool. Oh, that smells great. That's fantastic. All right, this right here is, I don't know what it is. Let's see what we have here. This is interesting. Okay. SK EDC, Fear the Goat. What do we have here? Super Harvest Moon coin. Oh, this is a special cool one. Shire Post Mint. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh, this is fancy. This is fancy. Okay, so there's a coin in here. What do we have? Ooh, wow. Solid brass. Okay. Ooh, look at that. That is fancy. Rule number 9. All right, more facts. Okay. All right, so I don't know rule number 9. I should probably know that. That's cool. Sorry, I don't know much about this. I'll put this up here so you can take a look. You guys, if you know more about this, I think the coin is super cool though. I think it's stinking cool. I'm gonna leave this out here with this. And then we have a sticker for that. So let's put that right here. We're gonna put that right next to it. Then we got the veterans coin right there. Put that over here. Got the cool soap here. I'm going to put this off to the side. Then we have, looks like, is this a knife right here? So this is a trapper? A watchman trapper? I don't know what that is. Let's see, what is this? It's a pocket knife. It's a slip joint. Okay, interesting. And it is a watchman. Looks like brass on the outside. This is the pin construction, so it's sealed. Looks like you have 2 blades on here. Okay. All right, so it doesn't have a 90. It's a full stop, so all the way through. So the travel, the walk and talk is there's no pop. So you got to be careful with that. That's interesting. All right, so we got 1 blade there, and then what is this? Another blade? How does this open? Oh, okay. Same thing here as well. So I'm going to assume this is like a 420C or something. Interesting blade shape. Almost looks like a sheep's foot or something. Don't know if there's a certain name for these guys. This looks like a clip point right here. And what does it say? Watchman right there. Okay. So I'm going to guess that is like, yeah, like a brass and what have you. All right, so we're gonna put that over here. We will have that right there as well. And then of course another crazy i3 EOS little Olight. This is from Olight. Yeah, Olight right there. So definitely another cool one. Then we have, well, let's look at this thing over here. This is cool. SK EDC. Now he's the one who had those coins. He's the one who did this knuckle. We gave one of these away before. That was freaking amazing. Super freaking amazing. And this one is too. Wow. All right. So this looks like black or maybe canvas micarta. So another one of his stickers. A nice big lanyard right there. Yeah, this looks like micarta, almost burlap micarta. So it's one of these, you know, if you needed to get into a box, you know, or break some ice cubes or something, you know, keeping an eye on your Slurpee, whatever. Interesting. I like the design. I think that's really cool. Yeah, that's neat. That's neat. All right, so we're gonna put that up here. Another SC, like a little knuckle thing. Not exactly sure what you call it. Now we got a USA flag. I like that. That's really cool. Then, of course, we've got, 50 Ways Hank. This guy is amazing. This guy is simply amazing. I think is my Rob's Nerdy Knives Hank is 50 Ways. So that's the one you see in the background. I love that Hank. That was so cool. I like the sticker here, by the way. I think that's really stinking cool. This is the little crazy guy. I forget where he's from, but I like the little guy. It's from a cartoon. Now, what do we have here? Oh, it's like a Halloween theme. Look at that. And there's a little hole in here where you can keep, this right here is a place where you can put your knife, even glasses. This is October to October 9/27/2025. So this looks like a fairly recent one. I like the design, eyeballs and candy canes and all sorts of weird gobbly stuff. And this is like a microfiber on the back, which I think is really, really cool. Yeah, I like these 50 Ways Hanks. And I do have a link in my description where you can save, I believe, 10%. So I think it's RNK10. So if you like his Hanks, he's got a lot of really cool Hanks. I think they're amazing. We gave a Hank away. I have a Hank that was given to me. Now, I'm going to assume this is some sort of wallet. How does this work? So a money clip here. Okay. I assume your wallet goes in here, something like that. Don't know exactly how that works. Does this come up? Where's my flashlight? So there's something in there. I don't know exactly how this works. I will be honest with you, I've never seen this type of wallet before. Is there like a little sleeve in there? How does that work? Yeah, I'll have to ask, but it's magnetic. Looks like you could have a wallet, maybe you could have like a driver's license or something in there. So that's kind of cool. I don't know if that's a special type of wallet. Maybe I've heard like the Ridge wallets or something like that. Okay, now we got another sticker pack. Kaiser, Rebel 77, all sorts of cool stickers along with all these veteran challenge coins. I'm super excited about those. I love giving those away. Got a chance to give one to my brother, so that's really cool. All right, so then we have Rebel Rouser 777, Jimmy Crow, okay, Blackbird Crow, oh man, Vincent, that's cool. All right, JD for EDC, traditional pocket knives, Stacy Bolster Blades, this is our older sticker. I've got some of the newer ones, but that's really cool. Then we've got BEDC, Saturday Night Live, Big Red EDC. And then we have, what do we have here? Is this Knoll Knives? Oh, it is. It is Knoll Knives. I wonder if that's Sean. Or is that, Vanda? I can't read that. Anyways, Hypercut knives. Oh, I like Hypercut knives. I've got a chance to check those out. Kaiser, obviously. And then we got KC with the Tempest knives. And then a little Kaiser microfiber cloth. So that's cool. Definitely be bling to go towards the future giveaways. Here, I can put this over here. I think that's worth having over here. Okay. And then we have a traditional pocket knife here. Let's see what we have. How does this open? So let me do this. It looks like it might be a penguin. I don't know. So we have a little penguin here. Uh-oh, I think I see what it is. So you got the QSP penguin, which is kind of traditional. Very neat. And I think it is. It's one in Ultem. It's in Ultem and shiny Ultem too. Ooh, I like the shiny Ultem. Does it say on there? Does it say on the box somewhere? Here we go. Penguin S90V. Holy cow. Ultem handle. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. This feels like premium Ultem. Wow. That is nice. Titanium clip for sure. S9. Oh, it's the button lock too. Let's see. Yeah. Thumb studs. And you have the middle finger reverse blade bonus. And this is S90V. Oh, this is a nice one. This will be a really fancy. This will be an amazing giveaway, guys. Wow, this Ultem is really nice. Now, Cole's knife is Ultem, and it's beautiful, right? But man, when you polish Ultem up, it looks so good. I saw recently a Mayberry Custom. I think it was ALM, his new one. He made these Ultem scales. Whew, this is up there. This is getting close to what that was. These are nice. This is nice. And mind you, this is a budget knife right here from Cole. This was like a $130 knife, which is what you get here is amazing. This feels like this is going to be a little bit more, especially Ultem S90V. I don't know. I could be wrong. It is QSP, and they do a great dollar value here. Thumb studs. Action's really nice. Probably doesn't even have thumb studs. It probably doesn't even have skiffs on there or anything. But man, I bet that would even be nicer with that. But look at these Ultem scales, beautifully polished. Boy, that really just adds a nice touch to it, doesn't it? That's really nice. I like that a lot. All right. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. This is going to be an amazing giveaway. So this is not going to be the whole part of the giveaway. These will be part of other future giveaways, right? And some of these stickers I'll have over here, the sticker pack, there'll be some of it be distributed. I don't know if all of this is supposed to be one giveaway or parts of other giveaways. I'll have to ask for sure to make sure Rebel Rouser 777 what he wants me to do. But I know that this is for giveaways, at least one, maybe more. But man, this is a nice penguin. This is really nice. This is one of those kind of materials, if I found that, I think I wouldn't mind having for my collection, right? I think it's really cool looking. So yeah, I think this is going to be super exciting. All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you to Rebel Rouser 777 right here. Let me get a sticker out. Definitely worth noting, Rebel Rouser 777. So thanks to Rebel Rouser 777. I'll ask him about this wallet. I don't know if that's like a Ridge wallet or whatever they're called, right? Or what. But S90V Penguin button lock. We've got the SK EDC, the little knuckle thingy-mabob. I don't know what you call it. I don't know if there's a term I can't call it. I got to be careful, right? SK EDC, this beautiful brass coin. It's got some weight to it. Rule number 9. I think I remember what that is. I feel like a negative. I can't remember. This cool donkey milk soap with vanilla and cedar. I think it smells really good. It smells really good. Flashlight. You've got this 50 Ways Hank, which is amazing. This beautiful patch right here, black flag, and then this amazing little slip joint. Really, really cool little slip joint. This would be a banger of a giveaway if all of this goes together. It's just a really stunning giveaway. Yeah, this would not be a budget banger giveaway for sure. Especially with this one. This one definitely goes out of the realm with S90V blade steel, the Ultem, polished Ultem scales. Really, really nice. I think it is steel liners though. Yeah, steel liners. But this is a titanium clip, which I think is cool. An S90V blade steel. Very cool. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you. Where can I put this? Right here. Right here. I don't want to cover up any of these folks here. Rebel Rouser, SK EDC, right? And then 50 Ways Hanks over here and all these amazing stickers as well. and this, and then we've got just a lot of stuff here. This is quite an overwhelming giveaway. So thank you, Rebel Rouser 777. Appreciate that. This will be a lot of fun for the channel. I'm very excited to give this one away because this is the nicest QSP button lock I've seen. I am very impressed with it. It's even got the flipper on there, which typically you don't see until you get the bigger version. So I think that's really cool. So thank you guys. I appreciate you. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or entertaining, would you please consider hitting the like button? If you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button too. Seriously, subscribing and liking the channel, it does help out. Allows the channel to grow, produce more content, do more things, ultimately more things for you guys. Thanks to awesome channel members and subscribers like this right here, Rebel Rouser 777, and other fantastic, amazing people. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you guys. Seriously. All right, if that sounds cool to you, you know, you enjoy this content, you enjoy being part of the community, maybe consider hitting the notification button down below as well so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out, a big, huge thank you to all my channel members. You do two amazing things. One, you encourage me, so thank you very much. Two, because of your generous support, you allow me to check out things, do things sooner than I ever thought I could. For instance, right, do the once a week budget banger giveaway. We can also cover the shipping, going back and forth from borrowing and loaning knives. And then things like this, giveaways, big, amazing giveaways, because this will be expensive to ship. This is not a little cheap ball, walk in the park kind of giveaway. This is pretty nice, guys. If this is going to be one giveaway, this is pretty stellar. So yeah. All right. If any of that sounds interesting to you, two things. One, email me your name and address so I can mail you a channel sticker. Brand new channel members, email me your name and address so I can mail you a channel sticker and send you a little note to say thank you. Secondly, you'll be eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we'll have a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month there'll be a second giveaway. You're eligible for both. I've actually seen one channel member win both one time. It is possible. Very rare, but it is possible, right? So and if any of that sounds interesting to you, you're like, hey, I like the idea of the sticker, I like the idea of the note, I like the idea of the once a month giveaway, which is going to be better than the budget banger. Definitely a little bit nicer. How do I sign up? How do I become a member? Well, before you do that, please don't do it because you feel obligated to do it because you want to. And if you do, check out the link in the description below. I have 3 different tiers. Would love to have you. Whatever capacity you want to be, great. If you don't ever want to be a channel member, I'm perfectly fine with that. I just appreciate you being here, enjoying the content, being part of the community. So thank you. But if you choose to do so, thank you. I'm humbled. I'm grateful. I'm very appreciative. So thank you. All right. If you guys haven't already, maybe also consider checking me out over on Instagram. That's right. Over on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's at Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.